everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And we just came in the door. So I told Bob, just put my stuff on the bed because I'm going to do an unpacking video, being I didn't do a packing with me video. Are you getting tired of my stuff yet? What I thought I'd do is unpack. Let's see, I have not touched it, haven't opened it. And see which things I didn't need to have brought with me, which things, I didn't use, Now, of course, these things back here, this is my Cpap machine. I brought this, and I used it, but pain in the butt. I'm going to have to talk to my doctor about that, about bringing it next July. Now, I was going to close this. Somebody's in there. And she's upset with us. Can you blame her? I had the camera ready, and as I opened the door to come in the motorhome, her body goes, and she looks at me, and then jumps in the closet. So I even opened the closet where she goes to. She actually goes over here. And she's just looking at me. So then a few minutes ago, since she was out, went in the room, and okay, she's happy, her daddy's home. And I start to go up there, not to stay, and she goes running back in the closet, so she's pissed. Now, I may, did she go out? She did, she just came out. I may post a video, though she'd be horrified if I do. Make a little short out of it, just for content. So let's get started. This ended up being heavy. Let's start, what do I have in the outside? I don't even remember what I packed in this thing. I better peek before I reveal. Okay. Well, here's rain ponchos. Still in package. Never needed them. Put that in the put-away pile. My little use me daily fold-away shopping bag. Never used that. Tag still on it. Oh, look at this. Oh, I brought a swimsuit this time. Never wore it. So that can be put away too. Put it back in the suitcase and put it under the motorhome so we don't have it in the way in here. Oh, okay. Got Bath and Body Works antibacterial wipes. Never opened this one. Mosquito wipes for me. Didn't need them. See those down there? Okay, so let's get to the main part. And I'm using my little tripod because I don't remember whose suitcase I put my big tripod in. Give me a break. It was yesterday. Doesn't it look neat? Okay. First, let's start with the little thing. My watch. Doesn't that look cruisy? With that I use, but I'm not going to be using it till my next cruise, so I'll put that with the put away. And here was my jacket I wore, my hoodie that I was supposed to bring the matching blouse with. I won't need this till the next cruise. I can go back in there. Okay, this one's going in the dirty clothes. This is all my dirty undies and stuff. So that's back there. Okay, there's this one I wore a couple of times. I wore this on the plane yesterday. All the pants, of course, I've worn them, So these are going in the dirty clothes. Never did end up having to wear my my hat, so I'll put that in there. Okay, here's my little, what I call medicine cabinet that I had motionless stuff in here, anti-nausea, ginger gum, little patches for seasickness, diarrhea things. Just kind of a little extra in case I came down with anything. Never had to use any of it. Now, it's a first for me. So, oh, you know, I forgot to put this light on over here. Hold on a second. Here, that make a little bit of difference on this side. Okay, this was my, this was chock full. Not going to open it. This held my undies, my bras and socks and stuff. And, of course, all the bras are going to have to go in the laundry, but, you know, the socks and things. You know, I only wore a few pairs of socks because I didn't wear my tennis shoes much. I wore them going to, coming home, and that one day when we did the sloth thing, all these bras got to go in the laundry. Let's put them back there in the laundry. But everything else, let's see, keep these things. I didn't need them. All these little socks and things. Should I keep? I'll take these out because these didn't work real well, the little kitty socks. But these other little sockies, and this bra, because I didn't wear this bra. I'll just leave in this. So now I know which bras work good too. So that when I go next time, I bring the comfy ones. So this will go back in this bag. Okay, here was my, remember the slinky night? And here was the tank for it. See, most of this stuff is just going into the laundry. Now, this was the only top I brought that I didn't wear. And I was prepared to wear it. See, the pretty long sleeve slinky one for nighttime. And then they decided they wanted to have us all pack up on the night I was going to wear that. So I had to wear for dinner that night what we planned on wearing on the plane yesterday, which was back there already. So all of these tops I wore. You'll remember them as they're going by. Remember this one? I only wore it once. I wore most of these once. The white one I only ended up wearing once. There's the sea salt. I brought three of these with me, and I ended up using them twice, and the second one really felt good. And these were just extra things I took out of my purse to loosen the weight. Like, I didn't end up using these wipes. Didn't need all this Kleenex. What am I going to do with all these? These I had put in my shoes. My tennis shoes, and they ended up in maybe not the right height. My shoes felt more comfortable without them. Oh, here's my little skin, but better CC. I'd only used that a couple of times. Didn't use my, because there wasn't anywhere to plug it in. Like I say, this ship left a lot to be desired as far as the plug-in. Here's my old trusty white shorts. You know I wore those a lot. My horror story book. I mean, make a note of how many things I'm fitting in here. My sleeveless top, laundry. The only things I really wore more than once was the bottoms. Here's, you know, this shirt. All these pants. All these are my, I'm sliding off the bed. My slinky Susan Graver ones that I wore with the slinky tops at night. And here was my other, that I wore with the other cruise one. I wore these maybe once. They weren't as comfortable. I only ended up wearing these once. And here was the extra container I had that I I had, you know, the copper tone in, which we'd end up not using, my hair gel stuff, and keep that stuff out. Out. I put in here, oh, this was the aloe vera, in case we got sunburn, which we didn't. This was my mousse. I'm going to throw that out because I just about used that up. That's for bags. Like that. Save these. Two things I'll save for the next trip. And my other pair of pants, navy pants. You can see I'm going to be busy doing laundry. And oh, here's my sandals. Still in the. And these came in. I mean, I wore these every day. Like I say, I only wore my tennis shoes a couple of times, so it was good not bringing all that extra stuff. And these are what I'm going to be showing you for my sloth video. I'm going to show you right now, and that's everything. So what you think? Everything fit in my carry-on bag. Cool, huh? Now this one over here is my carry-on, you know, the personal one on the plane. And I don't need to show you all that. That's just personal stuff, you know, we took on. We did end up checking the luggage in when we flew home. It was just kind of really awkward for me. What's this? Warranty for my suitcase. Oh, wait, there is a section I still need to unpack. This part. Let's see. Here was my notebook. I don't think I ever showed you that. This is the one that I was putting everything in, you know, when we made our reservations. Any, you know, a calendar I print out for my own use. This one isn't very thick. You know, here's the insurance we had on the trip, because there just wasn't as much to research and do on this trip. So, you know, we've got on here the Panama Canal info or stuff like that. So this can come out. Excuse me. Okay, then I'm adjusting to the room temperature. Here's my jammies I wore. You don't need to see all the specifics on them, but they go in the laundry. Here's the other masks that I brought that I ended up not really using, because we ended up using the disposable ones. So that's all there is in there. I don't think there's anything in my, let's see, you know, where I can expand this. Let's see, where's the zipper for it? That's not, no. Anyway, oh, here it is down here. Anything? Nothing. Okay. So, that'll do it. Wasn't that exciting? So that's how you can travel with one bag. I mean, look, I had a lot of clothes there. I don't know if you can see the pile of them that's going in the laundry. What did I bring? About 7 regular tops. I mean, this was one of them. And I just put this on today. So this is the second time I wore this one. Mostly everything else, I only wore once, except that floral one that I wore on the plane yesterday. So pretty good, pretty good. So now I kind of have an idea of what to lay awake at night, think about, and what to bring on our cruise for towards the end of July. So, comment below. Comment below. Voice raised. Oh, there's my dirty looking finger, so you can tell I'm back here. Share. Comment. No. Like. Subscribe. And I hope I've kept you guys all entertained during my trip. We had a wonderful time. I'm going to be doing a video on like a recap of the trip. I'm also planning on doing a video on where we felt safer from the virus. Was it on the plane, the flying part, or on the cruise part? And I'll tell you, you know, what I think about all that. Let me tell you. Oh, I didn't mean that. There. I love you all. Bye.